I don't understand why she told you this in the first place.
She didn't tell me. She should have, but she didn't. And I have a right to know.
No, you don't. No. First of all, no mother is obligated to discuss any extramarital affairs with her children. And secondly, by sparing you the details of a mistake she made a very long time ago, I think your mother was just trying to give herself a clean slate.
But she lied to my dad.
Yeah. And I can understand why you would be upset about that. But it's also none of your business.
How can you say that? I'm their daughter.
Yeah, but it's their marriage we're talking about. And what goes on in their marriage is their business. And Trina, you know, affairs, sometimes they're a symptom of a bigger problem. When somebody is feeling unloved or very lonely, sometimes they do things they wouldn't ordinarily do. The bottom line here, Trina, is that you need to show your mother some compassion.
But
No, there is no but about it. This is your mother, and she disappointed you. I get that, I understand that. But Trina, none of us, not even you, is perfect.
I have.
Well, hello, Lisola Brecht. Pleasure to see you again. Cassadine family lore hints at a romance between you and my great-uncle Victor.
And like much Greek lore, it is ancient and filled with horrors.
But nevertheless, I'm quite fond of your magnificent daughter and wish that things could have worked out between her and my father. But alas, my father is a very stubborn and unforgiving man.
Spencer, trust me, things worked out for the best.
We'll have to agree to disagree. Mr. Baldwin, if memory serves, you're quite the impressive attorney.
Well, thank you. And listen, kid, if you ever get in any trouble, come see me.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you.
Come on, let's go somewhere and catch up. No more putting me and your father together.
Can I help it if I think you belong together?
Yes, you can. Because you did it to weaponize me against Ava, and friends don't use each other like that.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Well, it's very mature of you. You'll forgive me if it takes me a minute to buy it.
Take all the time you need. By the way, you should know, I've decided that I'm going to spend less time worrying about my father's life and focus on my own. In fact, I was just over at the restaurant taking advantage of their excellent catering service.
Oh, special occasion?
I'm throwing a party to end all parties, and I want you to come. Feel free to bring a +1.